He's looking for seals, which make up the bulk of his diet. The ringed seal mother had no choice but to leave her pup alone on the surface. In the past, she would have built a den inside a ridge on the ice. But now the sea freezes so late that the ice is flat, and she had to leave her pup out in the open. This new, flatter ice makes life difficult for the bears too. And for a mother with a young cub in tow, being stealthy isn't easy. Adult seals make a much better meal. Her cub carefully treads in her footsteps and takes care not to break her outline. They must move as one. Most seal hunts end in failure, and gets another chance. A seal pup alone on the ice. There's nothing the mother can do except hope that the pup makes it back to her hole in time. The inexperienced young hunter hesitates. Its mother knows better. Safe under the ice. Polar bears are adaptable predators, but they rely on sea ice. If that disappears, so will the bears